Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Class channel. First of all guys, you like and subscribe my channel. फ्रेंड्स, इंग्लिश सीखते रहने के लिए आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करना है ताकि आपको हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन बर वक्त मिल सके। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे 100+ डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस विद उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन। अगर आपका ख्वाब है इंग्लिश सीखना, अगर आप अपनी स्पोकन इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। ये तुमने क्या किया? What you have done. What you have done. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I did not do anything. I did not do anything. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. बोलो कहाँ जाना है? Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. नहीं, मुझे काम है. No, I have work. No, I have work. मेरे कपड़े कहाँ हैं? Where are my clothes? Where are my clothes? तुम्हारे कपड़े वहाँ हैं. Your clothes are there. Your clothes are there. इस बार. This time. This time. अगली बार. Next time. Next time. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना है. I want to do something in my life. I want to do something in my life. तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. उनकी हालत ख़राब है. His condition is bad. His condition is bad. जल्दी जाओ. Go fast. Go fast. ये कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? वो ठीक हैं. She is all right. She is all right. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पसंद है. I like to speak English. I like to speak English. उसने मुझे नहीं बताया. He didn't tell me. He didn't tell me. क्यों नहीं बताया उसने? He didn't he tell. He didn't he tell. क्यों नहीं बताया उसने? चलो माफ़ी मांगो. Let's apologize. Let's apologize. अब तक तो सब ठीक था. Till now everything was fine. Till now everything was fine. पता नहीं क्या हो गया. Don't know what happened. Don't know what happened. मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. किसकी कॉल है? Whose call is it? Whose call is it? भाई की कॉल है. भाई की कॉल है. Brother's call. Brother's call. मेरे पेट में दर्द है. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. मेरा पेट भर गया. My stomach is full. My stomach is full. उन्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to them? What happened to them? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. लेकिन क्यों? But why? But why? अपने सारे काम ख़त्म कर लो. Finish all your work. Finish all your work. बस एक काम बचा है. There is only one work left. There is only one work left. मुझे खुद को बदलना होगा. I have to change myself. I have to change myself. सब मुझ पर हंसते हैं. Everyone laughs at me. Everyone laughs at me. वो कहाँ गई? Where did she go? Where did she go? वो बाजार गई. She has gone to the market. She has gone to the market. चलिए एक नज़र डालते हैं. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare you? How dare you? मुझे याद आया. I recalled. I recalled. मैं तंग आ गई हूँ. I am fed up. I am fed up. आपने ये कितने का लिया? How much did you take for this? How much did you take for this? मैंने इसे 200 में लिया. I got it for 200. I got it for 200. उसने मुझे देख लिया. He looked at me. He looked at me. वो कैसा है? How is he? How is he? बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind. Don't mind. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? GIA. Yes, come in. Yes, come in. मेरा इंतज़ार करना. Wait for me. Wait for me. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make face. Don't make face. क्या कहते हो? What do you say? What do you say? आपका दिन अच्छा हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need it. I need it. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need it. I don't need it. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. मैं गया था. I went. I went. मैं वहाँ गया था. I went there. I went there. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? मैं यहाँ हूँ. I am here. I am here. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I am on the way. I am on the way. पता लगाओ. Find out. Find out. मैंने उससे कहा. I said to him. I said to him. उसने मुझसे कहा. He said to me. He said to me. ये मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. तुम बहुत सुस्त हो. You are so lazy. You are so lazy. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मैं समझ गया. I got it. I got it. हम तैयार हैं. We are ready. We are ready. लानत है तुम पर. Shame on you. Shame on you. वो रहमदिल है. He is kind. He is kind. मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. I am not bad. I am not bad. अपना तारुफ कराओ. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. अपने दिल की सुनो. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. अपने हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. नाश्ता कर लो. Have a breakfast. Have a breakfast. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. फ़ोन उठाओ. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. कुछ भी चलेगा। Anything will do. Anything will do. उसे यहाँ ले आओ। Bring that here. Bring that here. गेट बंद कर लो। Close the gate. Close the gate. फिर जल्दी आना। Come again soon. Come again soon. मेरे लिए खाना बनाओ। Cook for me. Cook for me. आकर सबसे मिलो। Come meet everybody. Come meet everybody. उसका कोई हल नहीं। It has no solution. It has no solution. सब मतलबी हैं। All are selfish. All are selfish. तुम कुछ नहीं जानते। You know nothing. You know nothing. कभी ऐसा मत सोचना। Never think so. Never think so. बच्चा रो रहा है। The child is crying. The child is crying. अंधेरा हो रहा है। It's getting dark. It's getting dark. मेरे लिए बिस्तर लगा दो। Make the bed for me. Make the bed for me. ये मेरा पहली बार है। It's my first time. It's my first time. तमीज़ से बात करो। Behave yourself. Behave yourself. बस आ रहा हूँ। Just coming. Just coming. मुझे ज़रूरी काम है। I have urgent work. I have urgent work. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ। I am joking. I am joking. ना मत कहना। Don't say no. Don't say no. आँख मत मारो। Don't wink. Don't wink. बात करते रहना। Keep talking. Keep talking. मैं जाने वाला हूँ। I am about to leave. I am about to leave. ये मेरा पहली बार है। It's my first time. It's my first time. बाहर मत जाओ। Don't go out. Don't go out. देर मत करो। Don't be late. Don't be late. लड़ाई मत करो। Stop fighting. Stop fighting. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Hurry up. कोई बात नहीं। Never mind. Never mind. जल्दी आना। Come soon. Come soon. कितना जल्दी। How soon. How soon. अभी नहीं। Not yet. Not yet. किसी और से पूछ लो। Ask someone else. Ask someone else. मुझे दूसरा दिखाओ। Show me another. Show me another. मजाक मत करो। Don't joke. Don't joke. मुझे शादी करनी है। I want to marry. I want to marry. मेरा हाथ पकड़ लो। Hold my hand. Hold my hand. क्या तुम मसरूफ़ हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? पहले मुझसे वादा करो। Promise me first. Promise me first. नेक काम करो। Do good deeds. Do good deeds. मेरे हिसाब से। According to me. According to me. ये बेकार था। It was useless. It was useless. छोड़ो इस बात को. Let it be. Let it be. बकवास मत करो. Don't make nonsense. Don't make nonsense. मुझे गलत मत समझो. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. उस पर भरोसा मत करो. Don't rely him. Don't rely him. बिल्कुल वैसा ही. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. बात साफ है. The matter is clear. The matter is clear. कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा. Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग व्यूअर्स. आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और इसी तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.